Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many people wonder how to manage healthcare costs effectively. A health savings account, or HSA, is a fantastic solution, offering unique tax advantages. Fidelity is an excellent choice for opening and managing your HSA, providing a straightforward platform and robust investment options. It's a great way to save for medical expenses, both now and in the future. Before opening your HSA, it's important to confirm your eligibility. The main requirement is enrollment in a high-deductible health plan, often called an HDHP. Make sure your plan meets the IRS's minimum deductible and out-of-pocket maximum limits for the current year. Also, you generally can't be enrolled in Medicare or covered by another health plan that isn't an HDHP. Check these details first to ensure you qualify. Ready to get started? Head over to fidelity.com. Once there, navigate to the Open an Account section and specifically select Health Savings Account. You'll be guided through an application that asks for standard personal details, including your social security number and contact information. Have these ready to make the process smooth and quick. Once your account is open, it's time to fund it. Fidelity allows several convenient ways to contribute. You can link your bank account for electronic transfers or set up direct deposit from your payroll, which is super easy. If you have an existing HSA elsewhere, or even an IRA, you might be able to roll those funds into your new Fidelity HSA, consolidating your healthcare savings. The true power of an HSA lies in its triple tax advantage. Your contributions are tax-deductible, your investments grow tax-free, and qualified withdrawals are also tax-free. Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options, from low-cost index funds to individual stocks. Investing your HSA balance can help your savings grow significantly, providing a strong financial safety net for future healthcare costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.